Good morning, students. I wanted to post a little video to clarify this very important topic that we're studying this week and next week for the third inquiry essay, which is synthesis. And to understand synthesis, you need to understand the arguments that authors put forth in their writing. You take those arguments that authors discuss, and that becomes the context of your own argument. What's exciting about synthesis is that you are really taking other people's arguments and making it kind of a foundation for your own argument. So there is definitely some creative freedom in this type of writing, and it does require you to use the skills that we've practiced thus far, such as analysis and summary. So the first starting point for this essay is to really understand the arguments that the authors put forth in the text that you're using for this essay, and then formulate your own argument based on what others have said before you. There's a really interesting concept in this field of writing. It's called intertextuality. And what that means is that every text that has been written has a communication with other texts that come after and come before. So everything is interrelated. So even though texts are static in that they're written and published and they become just the words on the page, they still can converse with future texts and texts that have come before them. So real interesting concept. I know when I learned this the first time, I was like, wow, that makes so much sense. So as I'm reading someone else's text, I'm also thinking about my own ideas and how both my own ideas and the ideas of this text relate to another text. So that is synthesis and intertextuality kind of in a nutshell. We have great resources this week for you to review and learn more about synthesis writing, and I hope you have a wonderful week.